Hello, my name's Dr. Tom Ferraro. I'm a sports psychologist. This video is targeted towards general managers, coaches, and owners of professional teams that are facing challenges. You may not have known about me, you may not have heard about me, but you certainly know what sports psychology is.
So Tom, tell me why you're making this video.
I'm making this video to introduce myself to coaches, general managers, and owners of professional teams.
Okay, and what differentiates you from, say, another sports psychologist?
The field of sports psychology has been around for about 60 years. It's filled with behavior modifiers. These are the guys that use hypnosis and deep breathing and self-talk, goal setting, and basically it's proven to be very, very ineffective.
Why is that?
The reason it's ineffective is because it's a process that doesn't respect the level of pressure and intensity of professional sports. It's a Band-Aid approach. You're covering a gash with a Band-Aid. The bleeding continues. Beginning of my career, I was a behavior modifier, and I realized very, very quickly that it was an ineffective and kind of a superficial intervention. It trivialized the problems that professional athletes had. So what did I do was I went back to more training, 5 years more training in School of Psychoanalysis, and basically one of the few people in the nation that's a psychoanalyst that takes athletes seriously. I offer my services on a weekly basis to athletes using face-to-face, Skype, phone, going there, and basically use the standard supportive psychotherapy techniques, which means you listen carefully, you empathize, you support, you offer solace, you allow them to process pain, and the result of that is they let go of the anger and they get back on task. So the value of supportive psychotherapy on a weekly or more than a weekly basis is that you can express, ventilate these feelings, you let go of your anger, you get some solace, you get some support, you get some clarity, and what happens is you get back on task. Absolutely a critical process. Obviously, when you're clear, when you're calm, when you've let go of your anger, you're going to play better. You're going to play more confidently, more aggressively, and this is exactly why I'm hired. A lack of psychological support, my opinion, is that there's more acting out, more drug abuse, more psychosomatic problems, more injury proneness, more anxiety, more depression, more slumps. That's what happens. Now, many coaches or GMs can deny this, but on some level they understand what I'm saying and they understand that that's the truth.
And your experience, you've certainly been around for a while. Tell me about that.
I've worked with professional teams, professional athletes, and Olympians for the last 25 years. Hockey, soccer, fencing, gymnastics, figure skating, golf, tennis, boxing, you name it, I've done it. I'm considered one of the top mental game gurus in the nation by Golf Digest. I've been featured in the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times, the London Times. I've been around.
So what's next? Someone has an interest, they want to work with you, they want to find out more information. What do they do? They
call one of my staff. The number is on this videotape. You can look at my website. You can see my publications in various sports, whether it's football or baseball or basketball. I've published around the world for the last 25 years. So go to the website, call me up. I'm willing to travel. I understand you're busy. I'm very flexible. I can get there. We can do Skype. We can do phone, whatever it takes.
Thank you for the time. This has been informative, and I think this will give me and folks who are listening to this a good place to start.
I hope so. Call me anytime.